I'm Ted Bruesch, Technical Support Manager for Liphatech. You know, I've done quite a bit of testing of various rodenticides, both soft bait and blocks, and Liphatech products and other companies, and I've learned a bunch of things. Number one, the active ingredient will stay active for quite a while, but after a couple of months in a bait station, the bait starts to get a little stale and lose some of its attractiveness. This happens with all rodenticide baits. So what I usually recommend to pest control technicians is that if the bait is a month old and it still looks good, yeah, I'd leave that bait. If the bait is 2 months old, and even though it might still look good, I'd replace that bait.